So now students, let us take example to understand the proper subset. So student, consider a set A 1, 2, 3, 4 students, and let us consider a set B 1, 2, 3 students. So yesterday we understand that B is the subset of A. You clearly observe this. B is the subset of A student. But today we write the proper subsets definition. What is the definition? If B is the subset of A or A is the subset of B, same thing, then and A does not equals to B. And A does not equals to B. In this example, the condition A does not equals to B is fulfilled. So here we can say that B is the proper subset of A, because A and B, these two sets are not equal, because the elements in A is more than the number of elements in B, because the number of elements in A is more than the number of elements in B. Set B contains 3 elements and set A contains 4 different elements. So set A has more elements than set B. So B is the proper subset of A. So we write it here. B is the proper subset of A, because B is the subset of A and B does not equals to A. So B is the proper subset of A. So student, this sign earlier we say you, this is the sign of proper subset. So this is called the proper subset of A students. So student, in this example, if I write the set B in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set A contains the same element as the set B. So here we observe that the set A and B are equal sets. Set A and B are equal sets. So in this example, we can say that B is not a proper subset of A. B is not a proper subset of A. So we can write that B is not a proper subset of A. So we cut the subset sign. This is called not a proper subset of A. But students, because B equals to A, and if we write B is the subset of A, this is correct statement, because B is not a proper subset of A, because A and B are equal. If A and B are not equal, then we can say B is the proper subset of A, but A and B are equal. So we can say B is the subset of A, because there are two signs. One is subset and second one is equality. If any one sign holds, then this is holds good. So we call B is the subset of A, but this is not a proper subset of A. Now students, from this example you understand the proper subset. So now students, we move to our next topic. Total number of subsets and proper subsets of a given finite set students. Next topic is total number of subsets and proper subsets of a given finite set. So students, we understand it. Suppose students, we are given a set A, it contains the elements 1, 2, 3, and you have to ask, find the total number of subsets or make all the subsets of this set. So how can you make? So students, yesterday we see a important point, or we solve a important point, that empty set is the subset of every set. So while writing all the subsets of this set, we starting from the empty set. So the subset of A. So the subsets of A. Now we write the subsets of A are empty set. Here, how we make subsets? The first subset of this set is empty set, because empty set is the subset of every set. Now we make the subset by taking one element. We take element one element, 2, 3. So students, 1, and now we take two elements in one time, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 1. So students, 1, 2 or 2, 1 represent the same set. 2, 3 and 3, 2 represent the same set, and similarly 3, 1 and 1, 3 represent the same set. So students, we take empty set, 1 elements within set or singleton set, and 2 elements one time, and we can also write all the elements 1, 2, 3, because yesterday we note a second point, that every set is the subset of itself. So we take this set A, because every set is the subset of itself. So 1, 2, 3 is also a subset of this set. So students, these are the total number of subsets of A, empty set, and these all set. So how many total subsets of this set? Containing 3 elements, 3 different elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 students. There are 8 subsets of this set A, contains 3 different elements. Now students, if you have to say that find the total number of proper subsets of this set A, so how can we write the proper subset, students? The proper subsets of A. So students, in the definition of proper subset, we erase this one. So now students, how many proper subsets of A? There are 7 proper subsets of A. We does not include the set 1, 2, 3, because in the definition of the proper subset, what is the property? One set is not equals to the other set. So we cannot include this set within the proper subset. So we can say every set is not a proper subset of itself. Every set is not a proper subset of itself, because it contains all the elements, but in a proper subset it does not contain all the elements of a given set. So we cannot take the whole set. So now these are all the proper subsets of set A, which contains minimum one element less than this set. So the total number of subsets are this set. So the set itself is not including in the proper subset. So students, pause the video and note it down, and that's enough for you. Now in tomorrow lecture, we solve some important questions related to your CBSE syllabus. Thank you.